Okay. Next, 15th instruction INR M. INR M. This is for to increment the memory address location content. This is for to increment the memory address location content. It is not increment by memory address. Okay, it will increment the memory address location content. This is for memory address location data plus 01 and the result memory itself. Example LXI H, 8502 H 8502 H. Here 8500 number of memory address location 8500 8501 8502 8503. This is for data 09 0C 07 and 0D. Okay, now to increment the 07 data. Now to increment the 07 data, the 07 data available 8502 memory address. 8502 memory address. Now 8502 memory address location data we have to increment single times. At that time we can use this type of instruction INR M. INR M means to increment the memory address location data. Memory address location. First we have to initialize the what is the memory address. For that we can use this type of instruction. LXI H, 8502. Here 02 in register L and 85 in register H. These two represent for memory address. Okay, in this address location. Now this is the memory address. In this address location 07 data. Now the 07 data will be incremented. 07 plus 01. Next result to move 08 in same memory address location. Now the 07 will be removed. It will store the 08. For that we can use this type of instruction. Okay, INR or INR M. Both are increment the 8-bit content. Okay, INR or means it will increment the register content. Okay, INR M means it will increment the memory address location data. Memory address location data. INX or P means it will increment the 16-bit register pair content. It will increment the 16-bit register pair content. Next one, 16 DCR or means this is for to decrement the register content. To decrement the register content. R minus 01 and the result to move the same register itself. The same register itself. Example, here the R represent for any general purpose register B, C, D, E, H and L, and also to include accumulator content also. A register also. Okay. Here example DCR D. DCR D means now to decrement the D register content and result to move D register itself. Here D equal to 0A. 0A. Now to decrement the D register content single times. Okay. After this instruction, now D register 0A minus 01. 0A means the corresponding decimal value 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Now D register, the result will be stored 09. This is the decrement the register content. Okay, to decrement the given register content and the result to store the same register itself. Okay, next one 17 DCRM. DCRM. DCRM means now to decrement the memory address location data single times. Memory address location data minus 01. Result, it will be store the same memory address location. Same memory address location. First, we have to initialize the what is the memory. We have to initialize the which one called memory address. Example, LXI H, 4502H. 4502H. This is for register L02 and 45 into register H. These two represent for memory. Okay. Now 4500, 4501 and 4502 and 4503. This is the number of memory address location. 0E data, 0F, 0D and 0A. Okay. In 4502 data 0D. Okay, now to decrement 4502 address location data single times. Okay, now this is called memory. This is called memory. Now this memory address location data decrement single times. At that time we can use this type of instruction. DCRM means now this is the memory. The memory will be initialized in HL register pair. Now this is called memory address. Now the memory address data 0D. Now to decrement the single times. Now 0D minus 01 and the result to move. 0D means 13. 13 minus 1. 12. 12 means in corresponding hexa value C. Now this result will be stored in the same address location 0C. This is the operation of DCRM. Okay, this is for to decrement the register content single times, and this is for to decrement the memory address location data single times. Okay. Next instruction 18 DCXRP. DCXRP. Here DCXRP means to decrement the register pair content single times. To decrement the register pair content single times. Register pair minus 01 and result to store the same register pair itself. Okay. What are the register pairs in 8085 means 8085 BC register pair, DE register pair and HL register pair. Now to decrement the given register pair content. Now to decrement the given register pair. Okay, for that we can use this type of instruction. Example DCXB. DCXB. Now register B and C. Register B 05, register B 45. Now to decrement BC register pair content single times. At the time we can use this type of instruction. Suppose example LXI B, 4505H. 4505H. Now to decrement the, this is for C register and this is for B register. Now to decrement BC register pair content single times. This is for 16 bit. Register pair means 16 bit. Okay. Now B comma C minus 0 1. The result to move the same register pair itself. Now the address is 4505. 4505. Subtract with 0 1. 0 0 0 1. You have to subtract 4504. This is for register L and this is for this is for register C and this is for register B. Now result, this is for BC, 4505 minus 01. The 16 bit data will be decrement single times. Now 4504. This is for C register and this is for B register. This is the operation of decrement the register pair content single times. To decrement the register pair content single times. Next one, 19th instruction. DAD, DAD, DAD or P. DAD or P means, yeah, DAD means to add to 16-bit data. To add to 16-bit data, data 1 in always. First data always in HL pair. HL pair. Second data will be available given register pair content. Given register pair content. What are the register pair available? BC, DE and HL. That means to add to 16-bit data. To add to 16-bit data. Okay. Data 1 in always HL register pair. The second data will be any one of the 3 register pairs. Either BC, DE and HL register pair. And the result always to store only HL register pair content. Okay. Example DAD B. DAD B means DAD means to add to 16-bit data. Data 1 in always HL pair. HL pair data plus add with BC register pair data and the result always to store only HL pair content. Example BC, this is for 05 and this is for 06. HN, this is for 7, this is for 8. Okay. BC, HN, this is for data 1 and this is for data 2. Data 1 16-bit and data 2 also 16-bit. Now to add to 16-bit data. Now to add the two 16-bit data, at the time we can use DAD instruction. DAD means always data 1 in HL pair. The second data will be any one of the 3 register pairs. Here B register. Now to add HL with BC, the result always to move only HL register pair content, not some other register pair content. Now to add C register data to L register data. Now to add L with C, 6, 8, decimal 14 and corresponding hexa value E. Hexa value E, that result will be stored L register. L register. Next add B register data with H register data 0507 12 and corresponding hexa value C 0C. This result will be stored in H register. Okay. HL 07, 08 plus BC 05, 06. It will add first B and L data, that result to store L register 0E, and H B. Now to add these two, that result to store H register 0C. This is the operation of to add to 16-bit data. For that we can use DAD RP instruction. DAD RP means to add to 16-bit data. Data 1 in always HL register pair content. The second data will be any one of the three register pairs, either BC, DE and HL. And the result always to store only HL pair content. HL pair content. Last instruction, DAA. DAA stands for decimal adjustment accumulator content. Accumulator content. What purpose we can use DAA instruction means, in microprocessor all the result only in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. In microprocessor all the result only in hexadecimal format. Suppose accumulator 07 and B register 08. Now to add these two data, result 15 in decimal, but microprocessor it will store the result only in hexadecimal format. Okay, result in hexadecimal format. This result will be available in accumulator. DAA means to adjust the accumulator content. To adjust the accumulator content means, now the hexadecimal result it will convert into decimal result. Okay. Now 0F we can add with the 06. Why means BCD format. We have to change into BCD format. For that we can add 06. 06 we can add. Okay. Now result is 15. 15. It will change into accumulator 15. Okay, the given two data. Now to add these two data, any operation, any ALU operation, the result in hexadecimal. Now the hexadecimal result to convert into decimal format. Okay, to change into BCD or decimal format. For that we can add 6. We can add means, the given DA means it will default, it will add 6. No need to add 6. It will default, it will add 6, and the result will be produced 15, the corresponding decimal value. That is 0F result in hexadecimal after DAA. After DAA, now the result in decimal format. This result will be stored only accumulator. It will change only the accumulator content, not some other register content. Some other register content. For that we can use the DAA instruction. Okay, basic program. C register 05 data, B register 09 data. Now to add these two data and these two data B plus C result to store 4500 address. 4500 address. For this we have to write the program. First we have to initialize C register 05 data. How to we can initialize C register 05? Using MVI move immediate C register comma 05H. C register comma 05H. The 05 data immediately to move C register. Now C equal to 05. Next, to initialize B register 09. To initialize the B register 09. For that we can use the same instruction MVI B comma 09H. Now the 09 data immediately to move B register. Now B equal to 09. Now to add these two instructions. Data 1 in C register, the second data in B register. Both are 8-bit. Both are 8-bit. What is the instruction for to add two 8-bit data? To add two 8-bit data. To add two 8-bit data. Data 1 in C register, data 2 in B register. We can use ADDR instruction. ADDR means add accumulated data plus register data that result to move accumulator. Okay. Here register means any 6 general purpose register. Both are in general purpose register. Data 1 in C register, data 2 in B register. And A register, there is no data. There is no data available in A register. But instruction ADDR means one data compulsory in A register. One data compulsory in A register. The second data will be any one of the 6 general purpose register. But data 1 and data 2 both are available in general purpose register. But we have to add the two data means one data compulsory in A register. For that we can move any one data to accumulator. Any one data to move accumulator, either B register data or C register data to accumulator. Suppose to move the C register data to accumulator, to move the C register data to accumulator, for that we can use which instruction? This is for register and this is for register. Both are register. We can move the data from one register to another register. For that we can use MOV R1 comma R2. This is for source register and this is for destination register. R2 register data to move R1. Here the data will be available in C register. Now move C register comma the C register data to move where A register. We can use this instruction MOV A comma C. Now register A equal to 05. The second data available in B register 09. Now to add these two. Data 1 in A register, the second data will be B register. Now to add two data. For that we can use ADD. ADD means add accumulator with given register. Here given register or B register. We can add B add accumulator with B register. That is operation of ADB means add A register data, B register data, that result to move accumulator. A register 05, B register 09. Now to add these two, 14 in decimal, the corresponding hexadecimal value 0E. 0E will be stored in the accumulator. Now add B means add these two data, the result in A register 0E. Now the 0E data, the result to store 4500 address. 4500 address. Result available in accumulator. Now accumulator data to store the given address. Accumulator how many bit? 8 bit data. What is the instruction for to store the 8 bit data? Instruction STA. STA means store accumulated data to the given address 4500H. Now STA means 4500 means accumulator result to store the given address. Now address will be to store 4500 address location. Whatever data available in 4500, the data will be removed. Now it will store the 0E at present. Okay, this is the operation and altogether instruction. This is the program for the given logic. First one, data 1 to move C register and second data to initialize in B register. Now to add B and C register data, that result to store 4500 address. This is the concept. Okay, first data to move C register and second data immediately to move B register. Okay, now to add these two data means data 1 in always accumulator. Any one data in accumulator. The second data will be any one of the 6 general purpose registers. For the C register data, we can move the accumulator. Next, add B means add accumulator plus B register, and then result will be to store in the accumulator. Now result will be available in the accumulator. Accumulator result to store the given address location 4500. For that you can use STA instruction. STA means to store the accumulator content. Okay, accumulator data to store the given address. Next to alter the program. Okay. Second program, data 1 available 4500 address location. Data 1 available 4500 address location. Data 07. Okay, in this address location data available 07. And data 2 E register. Data 2 in E register 08. Okay. Next, add data 1 and data 2. Add data 1 and data 2. Okay, data 1 and data 2. Add these two data and result increment once, increment once to store result in 4600 address. This is the concept. First one, data 1 is available 4500 address 07 data. Next, data 2 in E register 08. Next, add data 1 and data 2. That result, now to add data 1 and data 2, that result increment once. Increment once. After increment, now to store the result. Now to store result in 4600 address. For this, we have to write the program. First, we have to initialize. First, we have to initialize 07 data available in 4500. We have to initialize this one. How many data available in 4500? Single data. Single data means we can use LDA instruction. We can use LDA. LDA means 4500H. 4500H means load directly. LDA means load directly memory address location data to accumulator. Okay. The 4500 address location, the 07 data will be available. Now that 07 data we have to initialize. For that, the only single data available, for that we can use LDA instruction. LDA means load. We have to load 07 data the given address. For that we can use this type of instruction. LDA 4500 means the 4500 address location data directly to load into A register. Okay. Now 4500 address location data 07. That 07 data directly to load into A register. Now register A equal to 07. Okay. This is for data 1. Next, data 2 to initialize in E register. Data 2 initialize in E register. For that we can use MVI. Okay. The 008 data immediately to move E register. This is a instruction for to initialize E register 08. MVI 3,08H. The 08 data immediately, to move E register. This is the instruction for to initialize E register 08. This is for data 2. Data 1 in A register, data 1 in A register, data 2 in E register. Now to add these two data, both are 8 bits. Data 1 in A register, data 2 E register. What is the instruction for to add accumulator with the E register? We can use ADDE instruction. ADDE means we can add E register data plus A register data, that result to move A register. Now result 0708. This is for 07, this is for 08. We can add these to 15 in decimal. In what is the corresponding hexa value? 15 0F. 0F available in accumulator. Okay, this one over, and this one over. Result increment once. Result available in A register. The A register data we have to increment single times. For that we can use which instruction? INR A means now to increment the A register content. A 0F data. 0F data we can add 01. That result to move 0f means 15 in decimal. 15 plus 1, 16 in decimal. The corresponding hexa value 10. Okay. This 10 available in A register. Okay. In A register. Increment A means now to increment the A register content single times, the result will be stored in the accumulator itself. We have to use A means the result will be available only in the A register. Okay. And this is also next to store the result in 4600 address. Result is available A register. This is for 8 bit. What is the instruction for to store the 8 bit data? We can use STA. STA. Store the accumulator result. Accumulator result what? 10. Where? 4600 address. We have to use 4600 H address. Okay, accumulator result it will be stored. Now in 4600 address, the result will be stored 10H. And everything finished, and end of the program we have to use all instruction. HLT means end of the program, all to the instruction. This is the second program concept. Data 1 initialize in 4500 address. For that we can use LDA 4500. LDA 45 means the memory address location data directly to load into accumulator. The second data available in E register. E register 08. We have to initialize the 08 data in E register. For that we can use MVI E, 08H. Data 1 in accumulator, data 2 in E register. Now to add these two data. Both are 8 bit means we can use ADDE. ADDE means add accumulator with the E register. Result to store accumulator itself. Okay. And then result increment once. Result available in A register. We have to increment the A register content single times. For that we have to add A register with 01. And result to move the given register itself. Here the given register what? A register 10. Next, to store the result in 4500. To store the result means result it should be available in accumulator. Okay. Here already result available in accumulator. Accumulator is 8 bit. We have to store the 8 bit result in 4600 address. For that we can use STA 4600 H means accumulator result to store the given address. 4600 it will store the 10H. And end of the program we have to initialize the all instruction. Okay, that's all.